So hello and welcome to Rev Sports, and this show is powered by IDFC First Bank, and the Indian team has started to train here at the Sinhalese Sports Club in Colombo, gearing up for their second test match against Sri Lanka. Of course, after a thumping win in Galle, India would be confident to take this series 2-0, clean sweep the Sri Lankans, and of course take another step forward towards the WTC final qualification race. One thing which caught the eyes of everyone present here were the two absentees. One is KL Rahul and the other one is Kuldeep Yadav. And there's a lot of chatter around Kuldeep Yadav. For KL Rahul, it is still understandable that he played two longish kind of knocks in Galle. Plus, he had all sorts of cramps in the first innings, missed out on his century, but of course his contribution with the bat was pretty crucial for India to win that Galle test. But here, the absence of Kuldeep Yadav, who perhaps in many opinions was underbowled, was not properly utilized in Colombo, and the involvement of Madhya Pradesh spinner 33-year-old Saransh Jain in today's practice session caught the eyes of many. Conversations with Ravindra Jadeja, conversations with Manav Sutar, the way he was looking at the pitch, the way he was involved in the entire process of warm-up, plus the discussions with the coaching staff when they came here at the SSC ground to take the first look of this pitch. Saransh was also present there along with a few other players. So Saransh Jain's involvement kind of is giving a hint that he might be on his way to make his debut in this particular test. And of course, Kuldeep Yadav, there's a lot of opinions right now floating around: lack of rhythm, lack of confidence. Some are saying he's being not utilized properly. Ravichandran Ashwin on his YouTube channel said he should have been given the ball when it's newer, it's harder. But Kuldeep Yadav, when he was bowling that kind of zip, that kind of extra special X factor which makes Kuldeep Yadav what Kuldeep Yadav is today, was missing in his bowling. Whether that is due to the lack of rhythm or that is due to the older Kookaburra ball in Galle, that is up for debate. But right now you can see the spin trio of Manav Sutar, Saransh Jain and Ravindra Jadeja, along under the watchful eyes of spin bowling coach Sairaj Bahutule, are bowling to Rishabh Pant in the spin bowling nets. Devdutt Padikkal have started batting in the main nets. Yashasvi Jaiswal have started to pad up. So a lot more is coming your way as far as India's practice session is concerned. This is perhaps their only chance to train fully as a team, because tomorrow is an optional training session on match day -1. So not a lot of bowlers, not a lot of players who don't want to prepare extensively, or because of the heat, because of the scorching heat here in Colombo, they might just opt to skip the optional training session. But here, the main talking point, the main focus in the build up to this test match is whether Kuldeep Yadav will be dropped from the 11 to make way for Madhya Pradesh spinner Saransh Jain, who looks like at this moment, match day -2, still 48 hours to go for the test match, but still it looks like Saransh Jain might just have been given a message from the team management around his debut. So let's see what happens. Stay tuned to Rev Sports, and like the video, share it with your friends, and drop your comments. Who do you think what do you think, should Saransh Jain make his debut here in Colombo in place of Kuldeep Yadav? Drop your comments down below, and keep following Rev Sports for more.